this is our vest, guys. So you have to decide what are we going to do with our buttons. These buttons are beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So ito ang ating project, guys. This is our material. It's sort of leatherette. Ayan siya. Gagawa tayo ng pattern. Our material para madali. Ayan, see? So, perfect talaga siya, guys. And then, oh, shoot. Oh, no. That's wrong. Add a double sa edge niya para lagyan is like this. So we'll make it dito. So this is our lace, and then we have to put that one there and to put it there para yes. And that one goes to this side, di ba? And you see, yes, guys. So hi guys, this is our finished product. Well, it's not finished, guys. This is the vest that we made. Oh, look at that. So all we have to do is to make this more stronger, the one that holds our lace. So we have to put something in there. How about if we put this flower thingy, or we add this. So we have to decide which one. I think this one is the best one. These white buttons, I have to put it back to back. So 2 each. So 2 each of that one in the back, in the back, in the back. Okay, and then I think we are going to add this white, and how about that? So how about this one? Isn't it pretty? Buttons. All we have to do is to choose red, white, and blue, and then we can just distribute to this whole vest that we're making. Isn't it pretty? That's beautiful. Blue. Yata, baliktad yata yan. Okay, red, white, and blue. Stars over you. Mama said, Papa said, I love you. Yeah, gagamit tayo ng thread, guys. So, ayan guys, tapos na ang ating project. Magamit na natin ito siya sa July 4th for Independence Day dahil maganda yung makisali tayo sa mga ano, di ba? So, I think guys, isali natin ito siya dahil may red, white, and blue siya, di ba? Dalawang red, maraming white. Although my yellow and orange, ano yan, pinkish and purple, but it's okay. Parang may art din siya, di ba? Okay, we'll do that. Dapat ito kasi niya is, you have to iron this sa t-shirt para didikit siya. Since hindi natin siya i-iron, dahil leather ang ano natin, dikitan. So, ayan na lang. Let's see kung pwede kaya ito. I don't know. I'll just try. Dahil ito guys, mga pang clothes talaga ito siya, pang material na talagang totoong t-shirt na lagyan nila. Doon ako nakabili for factory use. So ayan siya, but nabili ko siya sa Bangkok. So I don't know if, syempre meron siguro dito marami, but hindi ko siya nabili dito sa US guys. But I bought this in Bangkok. Oh gosh, how to do this? Okay, saan kaya natin nilagay yan? Okay, dito na lang. Oops. Ayan, so we have to wait. So another project, success. So, ayan guys, siya ang lace sa vest natin. Yay! Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Oh, ano sa tingin ninyo? Isn't that nice? Yeah, DIY vests. Okay? Talagang for July 4th dahil may red, white, and blue. Yes! What do you think of this, guys? So pretty, huh? So, you can make your own project dahil lockdown ngayon. Ayan, gagawin natin kung ano-ano na lang mga makita natin dyan sa ating mga crafts box, and then just think what you're going to do just to entertain the kids and to entertain yourself. So this is only for kids 10 and up dahil delikado ito sa mga maliliit, baka kainin ang mga beads or kainin yung mga ano natin,